Okay, it's pretty hot in here. So we're going to test unit 1. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Maybe it takes a while to turn on. That I don't know. This one? Nothing happened. Should get a light or something on here, I think. Oh wait, something's blowing. It's shaking. It says fan. It says cool. Turbo. It's blowing, but the shutters didn't open. This one, the shutters open.